Hello everyone, this is Avon Gaming here. Today, we have only none other than a special guest. It's about dancing. Yeah. Now, how do you expect this? Well, all you have to do is tame a parrot, and then put down the jukebox, and then put down any kind of music disc, and then they're dancing. Dancing. There's our star DJ, superstar parrot. Yeah, dancing. Dancing! Come on, the potato! I don't know why our wolves are not dancing. I thought it would work. Hey DJ, what's going on, man?
I'm fine.
Oh, what? DJ Callahan in the house, boy! Yeah, he's dancing! Woo! Woohoo! Dance along! Ada dance ka din? Just do it. Perps. Dancing. Dancing.
Love me.
Yeah.